So good afternoon students. Today I continue the previous chapters polynomials. We will discuss some different type of the questions on finding the zeros of the following expression. So one question was given that to find the value of this polynomial 3x का power cube minus 4x square plus 7x minus 5 to when x is equal to 3 and also when x is equal to minus 3. So first we check if x equals to 3x cube minus 4x square plus 7x minus 5. You will take x is equal to 3, then 3 is equal to 3 into 3 power cube minus 4 into 3 power 2 plus 7 into 3 minus 5. So 3 into 27 minus 4 into 9 plus 21 minus 5. So 81 arrange 21 minus 36 minus 5. So when x, the value of x is equal to 3, the value of the polynomial we get as the 60. If when the value, put the value of x to power minus 3, so 3 into minus 3 का cube minus 4 into minus 3 का square plus 7 into minus 3 minus 4. So 3 into minus 3 का power 3, so we get the value will be also then a negative 27 minus 3 power 2, 2 is the even number, so the square of the any negative is the positive. So minus 4 into 3 का power 2 is 9 and minus 21 minus 5. So minus 81 minus 36 minus 21 minus 5. All the signs are in negatives. So 1, 7, 1, 8 or 5, 13, 9, 12, 14. All are the negative signs, so will be the added to all the numbers. So 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 9, 9, 3, 12, 12 or 2, 14. 143. When if the value of x will be the minus 3, the value of the expression or the polynomial is minus 143, and when the value of x, then the value of the polynomial will be the 60. The next questions. So one different type of questions. Find the value of p is equal to 0, p minus 2, p 1 for the following polynomials. Polynomial says Px is equal to x minus 2 and x plus 2. So anyone says sir, where the polynomial? So that the form in the product form. So first of all, you just product it. If you use either the identity or with the multiply. So first we check the multiply. X plus 2 minus 2 x plus 2. So again we just multiply with the So x into x, x का power 2, because the power of 1 and power of 1 both are the multiply, so be the x square plus 2x, where the minus sign then the plus sign, so minus or plus minus 2x, minus 2 plus minus 4, so the opposite signs where the subtract each other, so x square minus 4 is the solution of that x minus 2 or x plus 2. But any students, we just directly write here, then we put a minus b, a plus b equals to a square minus b square identity. If any students use the identity directly, a square minus b square, when a minus b plus a minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus b square. You just directly put that, or if we any students will not remember, then we just use that product and then we solve it, because sometimes we cannot given in the appropriate identity, so in that cases we just multiply and then putting the value. Then one by one we just put that, so p is 0, so 0 square minus 4 equals to minus 4. You just put p minus 2, so minus 2 whole square minus 4, so 4 minus 4 equals to 0. You just put p 1, so 1 ka square minus 4, so 1 minus 4 equal to minus. Next, the different type of the questions. Verify whether the indicated value of a variable are zeros of the corresponding polynomials. अब यहाँ पे क्या करें कि आप वेरीफाई करके बताओ कि यहाँ जो वैल्यू दिया हुआ है क्या इसका ये जीरोस होगा या नहीं. तो इसके लिए हम लोग 1 by 1 पुट करते हैं, जैसे 1. तो अब यहाँ पे पहले हमने अगर पुट कर दिया क्या px इक्वल टू 2x प्लस 1, तो यहाँ पे पुट कर दिया पहले माइनस 1 by 2, 2 into minus 1 by 2. These are the two different signs. These are the product and the minus. So you put the a small bracket. Minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. That's the zeros of the polynomial of that the given polynomial. 2x plus 1 का ये minus 1 by 2 जो होगा वो इसका क्या है, zeros है. दूसरा 1 by 2 यूज करूं, 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. तो ये नहीं, that's the not zeros, और ये zeros है. ये तो फर्स्ट का हो गया. सेकेंड वाले में देखो थोड़ा, t equal to 3at square minus 5a square t plus 2aq. First put the value of t. t का वैल्यू कितने के बराबर हमने लिया, पहले a ले लिया. और क्या करेंगे 3 into a into, अब यहाँ पे t का वैल्यू किसके इक्वल रिप्लेस करना है, a स्क्वायर माइनस 5a स्क्वायर into t का वैल्यू कितना होगा, a होगा और 2a. अब देखो 3a इधर है, यहाँ पे a स्क्वायर है, दोनों प्रोडक्ट में है, यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा a का वैल्यू 3, यहाँ a का वैल्यू 2 है और a का वैल्यू 1 है, ये भी क्या हो जाएगा, ये a का पावर 3 प्लस 2a क्यूब। तो 3a क्यूब 2a क्यूब दोनों प्लस में है तो ऐड हो गया 5a क्यूब माइनस 5a क्यूब, ये जीरोस है। अब दूसरे तरफ देखते हैं कि यहाँ पे कि अगर उसका वैल्यू जो है अगर माइनस a यूज आप करते हो तब क्या होगा, 3 into a into t square, so minus a whole square, again minus 5a square t, so minus 5 into a square into t, t is replaced by the minus a, again 2a cube, so 2a cube, then minus a whole square is the a square, so 3 into a square minus and minus plus और a cube 5a cube plus 2a cube, so 3a cube plus 5a cube 2a cube बराबर 10a. So the zeros of that is the only a. Minus a is the not the zeros of the polynomial. Third, here the no any identity, because in the last questions we discussed about the if the based on the identity we directly use the identity, if not in identity so we just how to solve, there will be the product method. So first of all we write down equal to 3s minus 1 and 2s minus 3. So what the product, again you just 3s 2s minus 3 minus 1 2s minus 3. So what we get, 3 to the 6 is 1 and 1 2 3. First of all sign, multiply the sign, plus minus 6s square with a plus minus 3 3 is a 9s minus plus minus 1 into 2 and x, फिर minus plus 1 into 3 that's the 2s. So 6s square minus 9x minus 2x minus 11s or plus 3. Then putting the value of s is equal to 1 by 3. So ps is equal to 6 square minus 11s plus 3. So we just put first 1 by 3 equals to 6 into 1 by 3 whole square minus 11 into 1 by 3 plus 3. So 6 into 1 by 9 minus 11 by 3 plus 3. We get the LCM is as the 9. So 6 minus 33 plus 27. Because you just multiply that here. So you also return that 6 by 9. 9 3 are 1. LCM of the 9 3 1 will be the 9. You just divide by the 9 to 9 is get the 1. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. 3 divide to the 9 we get the 3. 3 into 11 is 33. 1 divided by 9 is 9 into 3 27. So 27 positive and 6 positive. So 26 plus 27 plus 6 is equal to the 33 minus 33 by 9. So 0 by 9 equals to 0. So 1 by 3 is the zeros of the polynomial. Next, different type of the question one are given from the R.S. Agarwal. The polynomials ax cube plus 3x square minus 3 and 2x cube minus 5x plus 5x plus 8 when divided by the x minus 4 leave the same remainder. Remainder means you know very well, division both. So yeah, either way you just use the long division methods or by the putting the value. If you just shortcutly we will put the x minus 4 equal to 0, so x is equal to 4. So first p equal to ax cube plus 3x square minus 3. So you can put x का value 4. So a into 4 का power cube plus 3 into 4 का square minus 3. 64a 3 into 16 minus 3. 64a plus 48 minus 3. So 64a plus 45. We get the remainder when the put the value of 4 in that given expression. Next, again put the value of 2x cube minus 5x plus 8. So putting the value of a is x is equal to the 4, 2 into 4 का cube minus 5 into 4 plus 8. So 2 into 64 minus 20 plus 8. 128 minus 20 plus 8. 108 plus 8. So in that cases, with the putting the value of 4, we get the remainder as the 108 plus 8. In that expressions, we put the value of a is equal to x is equal to 4, so we get the 64a plus 45. Question is that when we divided by the x minus 4 both, so leave the same remainder. Means according to questions, 64a plus 45 equals to 108 plus 8. So, transposition that opposite sides. So 108 minus 45. So here they are the 63a, where the 3 6. So a is equal to So 4 questions for your homeworks. Pehla, if ru equals to u plus 1, ru plus minus 1, 3u minus 1, verify that the value of u is equal to either be 1, 1 by 2 or 3. Means if the zeros of that given expression will be 1, 1 by 2 or 1 by 3. All or some. Next, x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. If x minus 3 is the factor of that the given expression or not. Third, x plus 1 and x plus 2 is the factor of that x cube plus x square plus 17x plus 10. क्या इसका जो है ये इसका फैक्टर है या नहीं है, ये आपको प्रूव करना है या वेरीफाई करना है। थर्ड में था 8x स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस 3 का वैल्यू x/3 माइनस 1/4 अगर पुट करते हो तो क्या इसको वो जीरोस होगा या नहीं होगा, ये आपका होमवर्क है। फिर नेक्स्ट जो होगा हम लोग मिलेंगे थर्सडे को, बिकॉज तो वेडनेसडे को जो है आपके 1 to 7 क्लास है, तो हम लोग फिर से थर्सडे को मिलेंगे और भी इसके और भी डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस ऑन दैट द पॉलिनोमियल बेस्ड ऑन दैट। अभी हम लोग डिवीजन फैक्टर्स इसी से क्वेश्चंस अभी डिस्कस करेंगे, फिर बाद में और भी करना। थैंक यू।